The 3D hologram fan is Spin Display. And I want to thank Spin Display. If you have any questions, post down below and they may come in and answer. They are a follower. This is the product. It is not difficult to use. I have an iOS Apple iPhone 12. It will take me a few minutes to relearn this product. This is the remote control. On the back is the actual power, lights up in blue. I'm going to turn the unit on, does its test, and it's going to go through every single thing it has. Simply just turn it on, and it will run. Now, in order to get it on your smartphone, I'm going to shut this down, off, put the remote to the side, and I'm going to bring your attention to the smartphone over there. Spin Display application. It's located here. If you don't have the manual, pause the video at any given time and load it up. Simply take your phone, turn your camera on, hit the badge on the bottom, open up. I have mine on the cloud. As it opens up, we hit open. It's going to go through a number of things. Allow while using the app. We'll like to find a connect to your Spin Display. And it's going to bring you to Bluetooth. Add device, connect to the router. You have to make sure it says while using, private access. I want to change that to while using the application or always. Back to the Spin Display, and everything else, local network is green, and my cellular data is green, the switches. I go into my settings. I go into my Wi-Fi. In my Wi-Fi, there'd be something that says MS45, and then the next number of digits is your serial of the product. The password is known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will tell you that on the Spin Display area, and then you connect. I have the off switch. I could turn it on by hitting it. The light comes on, as you can see. I have everything that's on this remote control controlled here. If I carefully look down, you'll see my camera, the DJI Osmo Action Camera. I put on there. I'm going to show you how simple it is to do. It cannot be more than so many seconds. Please forgive me if I cannot remember exactly how many seconds. 10 seconds, 15 seconds. MP4 has to be the file, and you do it from your smartphone. So I'm going to now basically show you how to do it. I'm going to basically shut my app down. Go to my camera, go to the video, and I'm going to do the remote control. And I'm going to stop 7 seconds long. I don't want to make it any longer. I'm going to shut down, open up Spin Display, You can see it's asking me to add the device once again, and it automatically connects by itself. I am going to go into the gallery. Please forgive me. And I'm going to go now to the camera. And I'm going to hit shooting mode. It's want to access everything I got. Allow. Allow. I come in here and I could do that. Same thing. Well, let me do this over here. Let me do the box instead. I'm shooting the box. I'm going to hit OK. Allow. Successfully save the stream to the album. I'm going to go to the gallery. I don't see it there. I'm going to go to the devices. On the top of the devices, there is a plus. I'm going to hit the plus. It says local picture mobile, video mobile album. I believe I go to the local. In the local, it opens up and says no file. If I make a mistake, I'm going to go back and go to video mobile. There are my video clips. I got my recording that I'm showing you here, and I got the 8-second video that I did over there of the remote control. I'm going to choose that. You've seen it, saved it, is playing it, and the word send. Send. It needs a file name, video.o.mov. Name it what you want. It's loading up MS-45. It may take a number of seconds. And there we go. You can see it loading up. As it goes from red to orange to green, we're about 100%. If you look down below, it's telling you in blue, video_12, 12 seconds, 66 times. That was this video playing or something. You just continue to look till you see it. It's on the very bottom. 7-second video. Press it. There you go. Now, if you come in here, you're able to do other things. I believe you're able to repeat it and so forth. And that, please forgive me, if it's a long press or going into the design or something. But as you get the hint, there's a lot you can do with the app. And that's the other video I had repeated. I hope this video was helpful to you in trying to get your product to work from Spin Display. Spin Display will come in and they will comment, and there are no issues here. I hope I have helped you out, and I thank you for your time, and this should get you going. I have a video of doing this already. It is in my library. Have a great day, and I am Fish, and I hope you enjoyed this helpful video. Thank you for viewing.